Here we have a Horizon Blue. This is a 250 Suncoast. It's a 2016 model. We'll walk around to the bow of this boat. Here you can see the keel. This is a deck boat, but it does have a deep V to it, especially for a deck boat. You can see it flare out here. It does have the docking lights. When you're boarding that ladder. It's a chaparral boat here. It does have a really nice ride. The Horizon Blue is new for this year, and it keeps you. It does have some nice colors to it, but then when you come up to dock, if you end up rubbing, you don't end up rubbing the colored part of the gel coat. It keeps it more scratch free. It does have the pull-up cleats. We always outfit it with the 300 Yamaha, the stainless steel prop. It does have the extended V-plane there, which means that you don't have to have trim tabs. In fact, you can't even get trim tabs on this boat. It doesn't need them. You can fill up the fuel in 2 locations, there or the other side, single tank, but it makes it nice at the dock. Of course, the swim ladder, the teak deck, and that's faux teak, so you don't have to worry about trying to maintain it. Stereo system controls back in here. They're throughout the boat. When you get on, there's your battery switch. All your electrical connections are right there, easy to get to should you need to. Your water tank, grab handle, and then also a freshwater shower to wash your feet off when you get on if you'd like. Over here, same deal. You can fill up on the other side of the boat the other battery. This is the dual battery setup. The pull-up cleats keep you from banging your feet up. And then over here, as you see, like everything drains overboard on the chaparral. So you have the stainless steel cup holders, but they have little tubes down in them, and they don't go down the bilge. It drains right overboard. So fill up your water there. You see the large scuppers as you're stepping in. So if you take one over the bow, it's just going to go right back outside in the 2-inch drains. You can put a table back in here as well. Let's go right up to the bow of the boat here. This bow does fill in completely, so this is like an area you can lay down in. In the 250, this is actually large enough to lay down in this boat. Or when you sit down in here, you can sit with your feet forward and then have some extra space available. You do have the armrests that do pop up. Nice vinyl material here. So I was showing from the other side. Friction hinges, so you don't have to worry about this coming down and banging your fingers. Anchor locker. Throw the ladder overboard, go off onto the beach. Your bow light does pop down. You also have another shower over here should you need to wash off. That is fresh water. Cup holders. Nice speaker system. This has the upgraded speaker system package, and I believe it's a deluxe package. On chaparrals, you can see the holes that are in here. This is for draining. They have multiple foams, different types of foams in this that keep it, if it does get wet, it just lets the water right out. Sirius satellite radio and a pump out for the head. Another stereo control over here. There's the head. The electric flush lighting upgrade. You can close off the bow like so. You can also snap on isinglass, keep yourself out of the elements. Additional storage. Cockpit and bow covers are located in there. You see how everything closes and opens very easily. 1.5 companion seat here. It's just nice. Drop this bolster down. You sit down here and you can swing your legs out sideways. This does tilt back and forth. You can put up to a 7-inch Garmin here. digital engine controls because it's a 300, so this is drive-by-wire system. There's cockpit lighting throughout, blue lighting. Underneath this seat here is additional storage, or it's a cooler, drains overboard. You want to watch some skiers. Goes way up in the front there. Another cooler, or more storage. This is all insulated. All the coolers are insulated. Additional storage space back down below on both sides. This does have the walk-through door, so you can put the slides in, and then there's an additional seat, so this does wrap around. This has the Bimini top with 8-foot linear feet of shade. See the stitching matches the boat. That's the 250 Suncoast.